Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Looking at Facebook, we've got earnings coming out and a bullish reaction initially. We'll look at that action on the 5-minute time frame in just a moment. But it's clear that the bulls were anticipating a strong reaction as they were very strong today and closed up near the high of the day. We came within the all-time high by 1 penny during regular hours. And the setup certainly favored reward compared to risk because we're in blue sky breakout. There's no resistance up at these levels. Once we break 133.50, we are looking at psychological 134.35, so on and so forth. So we have this bullish reaction, and in terms of resistance, there's really not much to be looking at. Although we do have the upper Bollinger Band, that's at 135.19. That is going to be a factor tomorrow. And I see right now the price is at 136, so that's going to update tomorrow. The upper Bollinger Band on the daily will be a key level to be watching as to whether or not it's going to reject the price. So here looking at Facebook on the 5-minute time frame, we can see the buyings kicked in right after noon, and it was a really strong uptrend into the end of the day with traders and investors anticipating bullish earnings. A big spike up, but now we're seeing a significant amount of profit taking. We just bounced off of 135.81, but the high was hit at 137.99, and now we're pulling back. So certainly not a very, very big breakout. It is upside, but there's going to be people with some calls that might have been too far out of the money that aren't going to be pleased with this reaction. So we'll have to see how it settles down after hours and pre-market tomorrow. But as of right now, new all-time high looks very likely tomorrow, and we'll see if we reject from that upper Bollinger Band. And with the way we're trading right now, I would not be surprised to reject from that daily upper Bollinger Band resistance tomorrow. But again, that remains to be seen. A lot is going to happen before the market bell rings tomorrow that's going to have us establishing our game plan, looking at support and resistance levels from pre-market and after hours, and establishing that game plan, essentially. So as of right now, congrats to the bulls. They're trying to hold their breath that the bulls can continue strong and hold up here. We do have a conference call still to go through, so lots going to change here, but tomorrow we'll see things settle down a bit, and the video tomorrow after hours will certainly recap all of the action and how it played out. So I appreciate you watching. Again, congrats to the bulls. New blue sky breakout all-time high does look likely, although not as strong as some bulls would have hoped. Have a great night.